Power cycling, also known as a hard reset or reboot, is completely cutting power to your Ring camera and restarting it. This process clears temporary glitches in the camera's software or firmware without erasing your settings. It's a common first step for fixing issues like freezing video feeds, connectivity drops, unresponsive apps, or battery drain. Ring's official app and website frequently recommend power cycling for troubleshooting. Power cycle your Ring camera when you experience problems like a frozen live feed, the Ring app not connecting to your camera, the camera frequently disconnecting from Wi-Fi, or unusual battery drain on battery-powered models. It's also a good idea to power cycle after a firmware update if you notice any new issues. Before you begin, ensure your Ring app is installed and you know your Wi-Fi password in case you need to reconnect. Note that power cycling won't erase your video recordings or settings, but it will temporarily disconnect the camera from your network. Make sure the camera is powered on before beginning the process. For wired Ring cameras like the Video Doorbell Pro, simply unplug the power adapter from the outlet. Wait for 30 seconds to 1 minute to allow the camera to fully discharge. Then, plug the power adapter back in. The camera should automatically reboot, indicated by the LED lights flashing. Open the Ring app to verify reconnection. For battery-powered Ring cameras like the Ring Stick-Up Cam, start by locating the battery compartment on the back of the camera. Gently remove the battery to cut power to the device. Some Ring camera models have a small reset button inside the battery compartment or on the camera body. If your camera has this button, press and hold it for 30 seconds to ensure a complete reset. Now, wait 30 seconds to 1 minute with the battery removed. This allows the camera's internal capacitors to fully discharge, clearing any temporary glitches. After waiting, reinsert the battery into the camera securely. The camera will automatically begin to power on. The camera will reboot automatically. Watch for LED lights on the camera to flash, typically white, indicating the startup process. Finally, open the Ring app on your smartphone and check that the camera has reconnected to your network and is showing a live feed. After the camera reboots, open the Ring app on your smartphone or tablet to begin verification. Next, check if the camera is showing as online in the app and confirm that the live video feed is functioning properly. If problems continue, evaluate the Wi-Fi signal strength in the area where your camera is installed to ensure a stable connection. As a final step, update the camera's firmware using the Ring app if updates are available, which can fix lingering connectivity or performance problems. If power cycling your Ring camera doesn't resolve the issue, there are several additional troubleshooting steps you can try. First, restart your router to ensure a stable Wi-Fi connection. This helps clear any network glitches that might be affecting your camera. Unplug the router, wait 30 seconds to 1 minute, then plug it back in and allow it to fully restart. Second, make sure your Ring app is up to date. Check your device's app store for any available updates and install them. Outdated apps can sometimes cause connectivity issues with your camera. Third, if problems continue, consider a factory reset as a last resort. Note that this will erase all your settings, so use it only when necessary. Follow the specific reset procedure for your camera model in the Ring app. Finally, if you suspect a hardware problem, contact Ring support for further assistance. They can help diagnose issues that require professional repair or replacement. Ring is incorporating self-diagnostic tools into their app that can automatically suggest power cycling when issues are detected. This makes troubleshooting easier for users. While advancements like mesh Wi-Fi networks are helping to reduce connectivity problems, power cycling will still be a valuable troubleshooting step for many users. Looking ahead, AI-driven systems could automate the power cycling process entirely, but for now it remains a simple and effective manual fix for Ring camera issues.